It's nice and sexy and small though. Look at that. And they're from Denmark.
Norway.
What do you think?
I think it. What do we need to know about it?
It's 3 kilo fully automated coffee roaster, electric, made for easy maintenance and easy roasting. But you can roast 7 batches an hour, so you can roast 21 kilos an hour. And it also comes with an automated dosing unit. So when you have set your roasting profile for that coffee, you can fill a doser on the floor and press start, and it will roast whatever you fill the doser in. So 60 kilos.
Oh,
It's a doser which you have on the floor. Then it will dose out 3 kilos.
And
Bring
that
it
comes
to-
with the machine, or that's an extra?
It will be an extra feature. And it also comes with an automated dosing unit. It will take up the 3 kilos into the hopper. The roaster will roast it, take it out, cool it, and then automatically take it out either to a bag or whatever you want. Basically. Wow. That ecosystem is something we'll work on the next coming years. So, for example, there will be multiple things you can attach to the cooling tray or something.
So that it could basically be
You can roast 500 kilos a week.
set it and walk away type thing.
and he was telling me it's AI based.
Yeah, a lot of it. I mean, we haven't gotten all the data to, but once we start roasting, we'll gather all the data and we can use this for predictions and so on. But we're currently working on the camera module where we will use some
And so,
data to be able to track the color and so on and monitor the roasting process. Besides that, we have first crack detection, a lot of smart solutions for easy maintenance. That's been a very, very important part of the design. So you can easily clean the whole exhaust in just 5 seconds. You can also take out the drum and clean it if you want to.
okay.
Changing parts is super simple, and we have double sensors if anything fails. For example, the ambient temperature sensor fails, then there are 4 of them. So the 3 remaining will just average out.
This is not coming out to the end of the year, is that correct?
We'll have a pre-production run this year, but like for the market, it will be next year.
Next year.
Hopefully early next year.
Thank you, Trond. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.